Today we learn nature of roots. Suppose there is the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Okay. Now I am showing you graphically. X-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. If a greater than 0, then parabola should be upward. This is a greater than 0, so this is a less than 0. Here a greater than 0, here a less than 0. This is a greater than 0, and this is a less than 0. Okay. Now, roots means where curve intersect the x-axis. That means there are two distinct roots. Here all equal roots, and here there is no roots. So roots means where curve curves the x-axis.